Hello and a very good day. Our project entitled The Bioactivity Potential of Acmella paniculata plant extract in antioxidant activity. We are from Faculty of Applied Sciences, Universiti Teknologi Mara, Perlis Branch, Arau Campus, Perlis, Malaysia. The worrying issue for our project is the synthetic chemicals that are used in cosmetic products nowadays. Cosmetic, drugs, and food preservative contain active synthetic chemicals like heavy metals, such as paraben, formaldehyde, triclosan, and benzalkonium chloride, that can be harmful threat to the environment and human health. In addition, like I said, synthetic chemicals can be harmful towards environment also. These chemicals can be toxic even in a small amount. This result to contamination of land areas, multiple water sources, and acid rain. Acmella paniculata is our main subject of our project. Genus Acmella is widely distributed in tropical and subtropical region of the world. This plant is a small shrub plant that naturally grows in damp area near lakes and ponds. Or other word, we can say that this plant is common among us. This plant is usually used as toothpaste and for ulcer. It has anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial activities. These bioactivities has been identified based on conventional and DES extract. The phytochemical composition and the antioxidant activity has been analyzed using qualitative chemical tests and DPPH assays respectively. So what does Acmella paniculata have that makes it special? Acmella paniculata have important secondary metabolites such as spilantol, alkaloids, phenol, flavonoids, tannins, and much more that makes it very special. For our project, we use two types of extraction methods. The first one is the chocolate extraction, which is the conventional method, and the new method, which is the DAS-based extraction. So let's see, what is the chocolate extraction? Chocolate extraction is achieved by using a solvent that is evaporated from a steel pot and condensed in a way that it drips into the solid materials permeating through it. The solid material is typically held in a porous container within a siphonable chamber. For deep eutectic solvent, DES are more environmentally friendly alternative for extraction. They have emerged as a promising option for the extraction and separation of different desired compounds from natural sources. The process is much more easy and straightforward that involve soaking, centrifugation, filtration, and recentrifugation only. So let's see what are the similarities of these two extraction methods. The first one is versatility, which is both chocolate extraction and DES can be used for the extraction of a wide range of compounds, including organic and inorganic substances. Second one is the compound. Most of the compounds, phenolic, flavonoids, and terpenoids can be extracted using both methods. And the third one is the origin. Both methods extract specifically from highly bioactivity plants. Let's move on to the methodology of our project, which is the first one is the chocolate extraction. In this part, we provide you pictures or diagram that could help you to understand. On the left of the screen, you can see the full chocolate apparatus setup and the flow of the extraction. The first step starts by placing the grounded Acmella paniculata into the chocolate thimble and the chocolate extractor. The second step is by heating the methanol in a flask. And the third step is allow to reflux at steady rate so that the chocolate fills up. Step 4, liquid contents in chamber siphon flush into the flask when the level of liquid in chamber fills to the top. And the last step, which is the fifth step, is collected extract was evaporated by rotavapor to remove the solvent completely. And lastly, we obtain the crude extract. And you can see I provide to you the crude of Acmella paniculata for our project. And you can see the video highlight of our project. The next method is the DES extraction. This extraction is much more easier and simpler compared to the chocolate extraction. The first step is by soaking for 2 hours of DES with citric acid or glycerol with powdered Acmella paniculata. And then the second step we centrifuge for 5 minutes and 5000 RPM. And then we let for the gravity filtration for the third step. And the fourth step, we centrifuge again for 5 minutes at 5000 RPM. And then for the last step, we collect the supernatant, the upper layer of the extract for further testing. So you can see in the picture that I provide, the upper layer is the supernatant that we use for the testing of our project.
From the table in the result section, you can see the difference between methanolic extract and the DES extract. Methanol extract of the flower and leaf plant part showed that the highest antioxidant capacity with radical scavenging activity percentage for the flower is 50 to 80%, and for the leaf is 20 to 40% compared to DES extract. The reduction of the ppH assay can be seen when the purple color converted to non-radical form, which is yellow color. As you can see in the result table, and we all know that when the absorbance is lower, and it will show that the higher the radical scavenging activity. We use ascorbic acid as a standard, which is we know that ascorbic acid is one of the strongest reductants and radical scavengers, which will reduce the stable oxygen. The ppH radical Acmella extract has scavenging effect with increasing concentration when compared to ascorbic acid. Next, as I said before, methanol extract have high antioxidant capacity compared to DES extract, but DES extract is more natural and safe as it is miscible between two liquids, which is citric acid and glycerol, while the methanol extract is diluted by the MSO, which could be harmed in a certain amount. And also, we believe that antioxidant properties of Acmella paniculata might be due to the presence of the highly valuable bioactive compound, which is flavonoid, terpenoid, and phenolic. Lastly, we hope that Acmella paniculata will be discovered, as it is widely in this region, and also we believe that it will be one of an important source of natural antioxidant that might be helped in preventing threatening disease. Extract and phytoconstituent of this isolated plant has been shown to produce different pharmacological response, such as antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, and we hope this natural product can be used in food preservative, drug and cosmetic in the future.